What up, what up? Great Saturday, everybody. This your boy HVAC Bone. Me and Lex about to get ready to go put in a compressor only. The guest got it shipped to his house. So we just doing the manual labor. Get ready to get him right. Get him ready for the summertime. Hey, y'all stay tuned. Let's go! Everybody, this is it right here, man. This is it. We're gonna get ready to unbox her, and we're gonna get ready to put her in. Let's go. Taking her loose. Come on. And there you go. Yes, sir.
First time I've ever done this.
Yeah. Yeah. Mm-hmm. And she's loose. Mm-hmm. That's it. Mm-hmm. And that light swung well. Look, cut yourself.
You got it going the right way?
Yep.
Get the coil.
Now how tight?
Huh? You see?
Yep. Yep. It's grabbing. It's tight. Yep. Go over tight. Yep. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Hey. Came out.
Yeah. It's big and wide.
Got a longer stick on the inside, yeah. Yes, sir. We got it now. We're just changing out the capacitor, making sure it's fresh. And make sure everything good. Get the power to it that it needs. Never gonna go wrong with it. Mm-hmm. All right, now we putting nitrogen in, make sure it hold pressure, and we're gonna go from there. It's always open. You hear it. It's a purge. Mm-hmm. Yeah, open it back up. Let me see. Test. Yeah, you good. That's it. Open it back up. Mm-hmm. Now she should be shooting up. The numbers will shoot up.
Full tank?
Mm-hmm. The brand new tank. All right, so we got the vacuum pump going. Everything back buttoned up. And it should be about down to 500 microns. See where we at. She's pulling down good. Yep. Looking good. We got all buttoned back up. Then we're gonna put the refrigerant in, start up. Let's go. All right, so we got 7 pounds in there, about 2.5 ounces. About to get ready and start her up, and we're gonna get this right. Probably had to add about another 2 pounds in. It depends. We'll see. All right, let's go. There she go. Yep, we can watch that. Calling for cooling now. That's what we want. Put it on the liquid line and suction line. We got it down to 53 degrees blowing inside. So everything working well. We just have it stabilizing right now. And another one in the books. That's how we do it. HVAC Bone, man. Like and subscribe. Get at me. When y'all ready for me, I'm ready for you. Let's go.